Okay, so for my birthday, my parents got me the USA 740 speaker, which I already opened. It looks like this. It looks like the original stock speaker, but it's got Bluetooth and aux and all sorts of modern goodies. So Chris and I are going to be installing this along with some new Sony speakers that I got today. I've got my speaker wire. I'm going to measure out what grommets gonna fit, and then I'm gonna drill out a hole in the door and in the, I guess, firewall so I can feed it through. Right now the speaker wire is just duct taped like through the door jamb, and it looks super white trashy and super bad. I don't know if white trashy is like a racial slur. Oh, in case it is, I'm sorry. Got one grommet in. So we got both grommets in the door, and now I'm gonna tear apart the dash so we can get the speaker stuff set up right. It makes it a lot easier when you only put back in 2 screws last time. So yeah, pro tip, just a weight reduction strategy. Only put in like a quarter of what you need as far as hardware. This took me longer than it should have, but I put a female bullet connector on this end. These two were spliced together. These two were together with this guy for the factory one, but since I don't need the on with no key on this one, I just cut it. I'm gonna shrink wrap it, and then I just cut into this one. And I'm going to splice a power onto this side. And this is the one that took me too long. It was like really stuck on there. That's kind of cool because it says Ford. So the speaker doesn't, the holes in that don't line up, so I'm drilling new ones. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but I'm doing it. I grabbed a punch and I hammered it, and then now I'm drilling it and I'm hoping it's going to line up. Doesn't look great, but you know, this door is junk anyway, so we'll just see what happens. And by junk, I mean I'm getting a new one because the body lines are garbage. Okay, so we got everything wired in. We're gonna see if it works. Chris is down below. He's been working hard getting the wiring put through the carpeting in the back. Super thankful for him because that's some nasty stuff he's working on. So now we are gonna see if this works. Okay, so nothing happened, but I still don't know how to use the stereo, so it doesn't mean much.
Why does it? Oh.
What?
This is kind of odd. The, so it doesn't, the old radios, like you had to twist the knob to turn it on, but they're infinite scroll. Mm-hmm. And then this would move the meter on the inside because it was tuning it. Mm-hmm. And if you hit these buttons, it would like shunk and it would pull the deal. So it's like, it's kind of weird, like seeing that it's all modern.
Yeah.
And it doesn't do what you're used to them doing. Okay. So, grab your test light and make sure you got 2 powers going in, okay. And then test your ground.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
Play some tunage. There we go.
And because you took the time to...
Okay, so I'm gonna run the speaker wires in the back, and I tape the new wires to the old wires. When I pull the old wire out, it'll pull it through and I don't have to worry about trying to thread it through, which I'm kind of proud of that, especially because I've been messing up these butt connectors all day and doing it upside down. So yeah, you win some, you lose some. We got everything hooked up. The speakers from the back, I ran new wire to the front, and everything is plugged in and working. We're gonna play the very first song, and I'm so excited.
From the people on the people, my head hits the roof, dancing on the ceiling on the people. I got people on the people, dancing on the people. I got.
So I've had my stereo for about 2 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. It makes driving the Bronco so much more fun having music. I haven't had a stereo since probably last summer, and so it really adds to the driving experience. I took it downtown and I was cruising around with the top off and my music blasting, and it was so much fun. As you can see, I have a lot more work to do on the interior. I'm actually ordering all my seams, my seals today, and gearing up to paint and do all the paint prep work the next couple days to a week. So big things happening for the Bronco. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.